In my last video, I said I did not want to do any hiking until I got me some hiking boots. That's still the issue. That's still the case. Well, Mr. Kitt here is being awful bad right now. There's a smell in the yard over by my shed, and Mr. Kitt here is extremely tired at this moment. And when he gets really tired, he gets really bad. So he keeps scratching at the door because he's wanting to go over to the shed. So guys, if you remember in the video I did back about, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, I had mentioned that I had showed you the places I've been training Kitt. And I said there's one place I would love to go train him, and that's a soccer field. But at the soccer field, the last couple times we had our dog Stormy there. There was other dogs that belonged to the neighbors nearby that was off leashes. Well, we're going there, but we ain't going there to train so much. We're gonna walk around and I'm gonna show you guys what the soccer field looks like. It is a paradise to train your dog. It's a beautiful place, and if I still don't think I've worn him out enough, because that's another reason too, I want to get Mr. Kitt here completely worn out. And if I still don't think I've worn him out enough, we'll go to the city park and we'll walk his butt. That's right, we will. I won't gonna walk him today because he's been walking all, well, God knows how many days. I was gonna give him a day off, but guess what? He just may need walked. We'll see you at the soccer field. I'd like to welcome you guys to the soccer field. We are in the country. That's where the soccer field's at. And this place right here is where I train my dog Stormy the most. And right over yonder there where you can see the fenced-in area, I trained her there as well. And Mr. Kitt here is smelling 1,000 smells. And I guarantee the smells he's smelling, well, I don't know about right there. That's probably dog smells. But he will have a lot of smell of deers. We're going to walk the big circle around like we used to with Stormy when we wasn't training her. And it's quite beautiful over yonder there. Let's get started. I remember the last time I was here making a video. I do. I had Stormy with me. I don't remember what the video was about, but I remember them steps behind me. I don't know if you can see them in the shot. It was me going down the steps and looking back at Angie, and I said this on the video. Oh boy, this grass is really slushy. I remember this. See, I used to come up here a lot with Stormy when I wasn't training her and walk the circle, walk around the soccer field. Because here in a little bit, it's gonna get quite beautiful. Now, will I ever train Kitt here? Probably not. Because like I said, that last time here, I believe was when we met a dog. Can't really say we met him or her. It came out of nowhere, and it was a race for me to get to our vehicle before that dog got to us. Because that dog got to us, I was afraid Stormy and that dog will fight. So we was right here in this spot, and there was a dog over there, and it was coming towards us. But the funny thing is, when we got halfway to the car, the dog stopped. Now, back when I trained Stormy, I had cones. And I would go to the middle of this thing, and I would have her do zigzags around the cones. And then I would bring a long rope as a lead rope, and I would teach her how to stay and then come to. All this open field. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna climb this tiny hill and walk the outskirts. And that's where I think it gets the prettiest. This part right here for the soccer nets, I wasn't here last time I was here. Yeah, I don't think it's soccer season right now, do you?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so that means it's our season to walk Kitt. And Kitt is not minding worth a darn. Watch, I'll show you. Hey Kitt, sit. Sit. Now the smell he's picking up right here more than likely is deer. And when a dog picks up a deer smell, until he gets more trained, he ain't gonna listen to me at all. Not one bit. Isn't that right, Kitt? I don't exist to you at this moment. But that's okay. I'm not going to stress it. Now, when we go up this little hill here, that's when it starts becoming quite beautiful. At least I think it do. Because all around is in the country, guys. All around through here is woods. But guess what? There's no trails. We thought there was a trail on the other side, and I might point that out when I get over there. One other time we was here, but there wasn't. No, there's a fence if I remember correctly. Yeah, this was all donated to our county. I think it was donated. And they made a big soccer field here. Like I said in that video when I was showing the places that I trained Kitt, I said this place would be ideal. Look at it. Just look at this. It's a perfect place. Listen. No car sounds. No truck sounds. And Kitt, quit pulling me. No sounds at all. It'd be the perfect place to train your puppy. At least I thought so many years ago with Stormy. See, that was the mistake, one of the mistakes I made with her. Training your dog where there is distractions of sounds and people, you get a better train. I did not know that back then. But, you know, I may come back here and do some training with them. Maybe. Well, last time I was here, I thought this was a trail. But now I can see it's a game trail. That's one of the many game trails that come into the park. And I'm going to turn around. Look how beautiful this place is. Holy smokes. And there's my lovely wife. Hi, wife. The wife has a name. Her name's Angie. And there's my beautiful puppy Kitt, which is 6 months old today, by the way. Happy half-year-old. Now, when we get to the side over here, which will take a little bit yet, we're still a good piece away. The ground was breaking away, if I remember correctly, the last time we was here. And I got that on video, so we're gonna go over there and see if it's still breaking away or did they fix it. It's fall time. A lot of leaves is off the trees, but could you imagine what this will look like in the summer? Cattails right yonder. Them trees still have the leaves to lose. You got your evergreen right in there, and them trees lost their leaves. And as far as you can see is just country. The spot that was breaking away, I think it might be up here, but then again, I don't know. It almost looks like they put a fence in. I don't know if this fence is new or not. And kind of, you know, kept it away from where it was breaking down at. It was sliding down the hill and there was some rock formation there that was breaking away. So we're going to find out, because it should be right up through here. Well, it looks like they fixed a good portion of it. Yeah. I think they put a fence in, and they have it kind of like where you can't get in there. But this is where it started at. And beyond that, well, that's actually a fence right there. It was like a straight down drop off. But they added some gravel, some big rock and everything. Kitt, don't pull me over there, hon. See what I mean, guys? Since he is a puppy and all these smells, which more than likely is deer smells, is all brand new to him still. He's walking me. Let's see if he'll listen to a sit command. Kitt, sit. Come on. Sit down. Good boy. Stay. Daddy's proud of you. Thank you for doing that. Well, so far we haven't seen any neighborhood, so to speak, dogs, you know, from one of the farmhouses out here. So we're pretty lucky. If one does come deer, I wouldn't be as concerned as I was with my other dog. Do I think they will come up attack? No, I do not. And the one we seen was not coming up to attack us. And like I said, the dog only got halfway, then took back off again. And the reason that happened, Stormy let out a bark. And the bark she let out was, bring your butt on up. Yeah, she let out one of them vicious barks. Okay, when we get up here to the corner, I'm gonna show you one of the places I used to train Stormy at as well. That little fenced in area over there, which it looks like they don't have a gate anymore, but it used to completely gate up and you could let your dog loose in there and your dog could not get out. That was the perfect spot to train my dog as well. And that's where I trained her at first down here. Then we started training her all the way through here. Right up there's my Defiant. Sun's probably in the camera's eye, but Ain't much I could do about that, y'all. Unless I use a filter. But yeah. And Kitt, what the heck are you eating? Oh, come on. You have to come here and eat the grass. You know they pay people to cut the grass here. What, you think you're going to bite and eat all the grass so they won't have to cut it? Okay, if you want to eat some, that's okay. Now, when we first started coming here with our dog Stormy, what you see was crushed gravel. Today, it's crushed asphalt. Now, I really do not like to walk my dog. Well, it didn't matter what dog I had, Stormy or Kitt here. I did not want to walk them. See, he's pulled me right over through here. Stormy, or you're not Stormy, oh my lord. Once again, I still do it. I don't do it as much as I did, but that's probably because I was just talking about Stormy. But it doesn't matter. I don't want to walk my puppy on the crushed asphalt, and I only walk Stormy on the crushed gravel when it used to be that way one time, and Angie says that might be hard on her paws. Ever since then, I didn't do it. But I would take Stormy on down to the other end, which can't go down that far now because they have it blocked off, and I will walk her back and forth. And this is one of the first places Stormy ever walked. Yeah, I did put that in video as well. Yeah, but guys, the soccer field. The main purpose of today is I want to wear his little butt out. He's overexhausted. And he's wanting to go outside, and there's by the shed, there's something that's been there or urinated there. He's wanting to go to that smell, and he's jumping at the door. He's clawing at the door, jumping at the wall, trying to get his leashes down. And I was like, you know what? Let's go to the soccer field. I can make a video today talking about what I talked about about 2 weeks ago in my videos. The soccer field. Beautiful, isn't it? Would I ever bring Kitt up here to train? Maybe. But I like the training I'm doing with him right now. Hands on. Yeah. And what I mean by that is I'm showing him what I need him to do. And it's working out flawlessly. Alright guys, we're going to head home. We may actually stop at the city park. If I do, I will not put that on video, and walk him a lap or two, because I want to make sure when I get home he goes night-night so I can do some editing. I still have the video that you've seen before this on Monday to edit yet, and maybe I'll get enough time to edit both of them up. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here.